Stork Craft Hoop Glider in Ottoman Set. Beautiful piece of furniture for nursery. Create the perfect look for your decor with the Stork Craft Custom Hoop Glider in Ottoman Set. With plenty of finish and color options to choose from, you are sure to find a set that will match your needs. You can effortlessly go from rocking your little one to sleep to watching your favorite show. The glider features metal ball bearings for an incredibly smooth gliding motion to create a soothing experience for you and baby. And the generous seating room with plush padding ensures a comfy stay in the glider. There is even a pocket on the padded arms to keep items close at hand. Like your well-loved copy of Guess How Much I Love You, your favorite magazine, or the remote control. You and your baby deserve the best, and you are sure to find it with a Stork Craft Custom Hoop Glider in Ottoman Set. Glider 24.75-inch length by 25.75-inch width by 39.50-inch height. Ottoman 20.5-inch length by 16-inch width by 14.5-inch height. With over 63 different combinations to choose from, you can create a beautiful glider that offers the comfort of favorite sofa, but has the ability to glide you into a relaxed, tranquil state. Imagine yourself in that perfectly matching glider and Ottoman combination for your nursery. Watching your little darling sleep soundly, with your feet up reading a baby magazine, relaxing before bed. This stylish hoop glider in Ottoman can offer it all and is sure to be your favorite. Stork Craft Manufacturing is one of the world's leading juvenile furniture manufacturers. Over the course of 60+ years of business, Stork Craft has emerged as the epitome of operational excellence. All of the furniture is manufactured to bring you affordable, quality products. The newest designs because your baby deserves the very best. They constantly updating the product offerings. Shop Stork Craft to find that perfect piece of furniture for your child. This is a great glider for the price point. It's well packaged, so that nothing arrived damaged, and putting it together took less than 15 minutes. The cushions are a bit firm, but not hard. I love it! Also, the microfiber fabric is very easy to clean. Very nice glider, especially for the price. Absolutely love it! To purchase Stork Craft Hoop Glider in Ottoman Set, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.